Salut, bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va? Je vais très bien. Hi, this is Janish Koda here from Wisdom Commerce Classes presenting to you a video of basic French. So today in this particular video we are going to learn something new, very important, and the name of the topic is les interrogatifs. Les interrogatifs, the interrogatives. Interrogatives helps you to ask भिन्न प्रकार के questions. So जो अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस हम पूछ के लोगों को परेशान करते हैं वही आज हम पढ़ने वाले इस वीडियो में, that how to ask questions in French. So in order to learn how to ask questions in French, first of all we should know the vocabularies of all the interrogatives. How much, how many, how much, where, वो सारी चीजें हमको पढ़नी है फिलहाल इस वीडियो में. So let's start the first one. K means what? K with you. What are you doing? Question mark. Second is quand va tu à Paris? When are you going to Paris? Quand va tu à Paris? When are you going to Paris? Third is how. Comment allez-vous? How are you? Comment allez-vous? How are you? Fourth, combien. Combien means how much. Combien coûte ce crayon? Combien coûte ce crayon? How much does this pencil cost? Combien de jours y a-t-il dans un mois? Combien de jours y a-t-il dans un mois? How many days are there in a month? Question mark. Next is où. Où means where. Où vas-tu? Where are you going? Où vas-tu? Where are you going? Next is qui. Qui est ton frère? Qui est ton frère? Who is your brother? And last is pourquoi. Pourquoi parles-tu beaucoup? Pourquoi parles-tu beaucoup? Why do you speak a lot? Question mark. So students, you have to remember the pronunciation and the meaning of all these words. Que, quand, comment, combien, combien de, où, qui, pourquoi. Okay students? So this is les interrogatifs. And we have one more topic over here. Les adjective interrogative. Les adjective interrogative. Students, ये सिर्फ interrogatives है, ये कभी change नहीं होते. But les adjective interrogative, it is like adjectives. And adjectives कैसे होते हैं? Flexible होते हैं. They change according to the noun. तो ये जो कैल वर्ड तुम्हें दिख रहा है तुम्हारे सामने, students, these are also interrogatives, but it changes according to the noun. वो noun के accordingly change होता है. So what does this mean? It means which या what. It means which या what. We have four options. Quel. So quel का मतलब होता है which या what. Quel is used for masculine singular. Quel is used for masculine plural. Quel is used for feminine singular. And this quel is used for feminine plural. So आइए students, अब हम सीखने वाले हैं that how to use all these interrogatives in the sentences. So what do you have to do? You have to learn all the vocabularies nicely so that you can translate each sentence into English. And then accordingly we will put one of these interrogatives. So आइए शुरू करते हैं with the first one. Dash est-ce que le train arrive? So you have to try doing the English translation. Quand est-ce que le train arrive? So if I take a pause for a second, this pause is for you so that you can take a time and think the English translation of this particular sentence. So the first is dash est-ce que le train arrive? So when is it that the train arrives? You can say dash is it that the train arrives. So क्या हो सकता है? How is it that तो नहीं आएगा, when आएगा. When is it that the train arrives? When is it that the train arrives? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a red marker. I'm going to write over here quand. When is it that the train arrives? It's a quite light marker. Next is dash est le président de l'Inde. Dash est le président de l'Inde. Dash is the president of India. Okay, so we have to put a question over here. So who is the president of India? Who? Key. Q-U-I. Thwa. Third, dash what you met now. Dash are you going now? Dash are you going now? Where are you going now? Dash are you going now? Dash what you met now. So where are you going now? So you have to O-U graph. O-U graph. This symbol is called as graph. Fourth one, dash payez-vous or espèce ou par la carte. How are you paying? By cash or by card? Okay students, so क्या आएगा? Dash are you paying? Dash are you paying means क्या है यहाँ पर? How are you paying? By cash or by card? So for the word how, como, C-O-M-M-E-N-T. Going to the fifth one, dash could set chemise. Dash cost this shirt. So how much cost this shirt? How much? So मैं लिखूंगा combien. Going to the sixth one, dash moi y a-t-il dans une année. Dash months are there in a year. Dash months are there in a year. So how many months? Combien de? All the questions are right in front of you. What you can do is you can take a pause and you can solve all these questions on your own and then look at the video. So seventh one, dash roman aimez-vous lire? Dash novels do you like to read? Dash roman aimez-vous lire? So dash novels do you like to read? So क्या आएगा? Which novels do you like to read? So look now for which I have four options. Dash novels do you like to read? Okay students? So यहाँ पे ये क्या है? यहाँ पर ये masculine plural है. Okay? So you have to check the noun. The noun is masculine plural. So my answer is going to be Q-U-E-L-S. Which novels are you going to or do you like to read? 8-1. Pour dash achètes-tu ce parfum? For dash achètes-tu ce parfum? For dash are you buying this perfume? For dash are you buying this perfume? So for whom आएगा? Whom. Okay? So whom or whom is the same word qui. So for whom are you buying this perfume? Going with the ninth one. Dash manges-tu comme dessert? Dash manges-tu comme dessert? So dash are you eating as dessert? So क्या आएगा? What are you eating as dessert? What are you eating as dessert? Listen students, I have two options. यहाँ पे भी what लिखा है और यहाँ पे भी what लिखा है. तो कैसे डिसाइड करूंगा कि मैं कौन सा वाला word डालूंगा? Okay. So look यहाँ पे underline part के बाद क्या दिया है? Verb दिया है. Manger, to eat. Okay. So whenever there is a verb after the underline part, I will be using ko. And whenever there is a noun, because noun ही तो masculine या feminine होता है, verb कभी masculine feminine नहीं होता है. So whenever there is a verb, so exactly after this is a verb, so I am going to use that one, ko. Ko manges-tu comme dessert. Okay students? अगर एग्जैक्ट आगे नाउन होगा तो हम लोग इन चारों में से कोई प्लेस करेंगे. 10th one, dash variété. C'est difficile de choisir. Dash variety. It is difficult to choose. So what a variety. It is difficult to choose. So listen students, यहाँ पे भी what आया है. Again I have two options, what and what. But exactly dash का यहाँ पे noun दिया है. This is a feminine noun. Feminine noun. तो obviously noun रहेगा तो हम लोग यहाँ पर चेक करेंगे. And it's feminine noun, so Q-U-E-L-L-E. Q-U-E-L-L-E. What a variety! It is difficult to choose. So starting with the 11th one now. Dash écrit en une lettre en français. Dash écrit en une lettre en français. So dash does one write a letter in French. So क्या हो सकता है? Dash does one write a letter in French. So how does one write a letter in French? So, comment écrit-on une lettre en français? Next is dash tu ne me parles pas. Dash tu ne me parles pas. Dash are you not talking to me? So dash you are not talking to me. So why are you not talking to me? Why are you not talking to me? Pourquoi? Pourquoi? Okay, pourquoi tu ne me parles pas? Why are you not talking to me? Question mark. Moving to 13th one. Dash passager y-a-t-il dans l'autobus? Dash passengers are there in the bus. Dash passengers are there. So क्या आएगा? How many passengers? Combien de passagers? Combien de passagers y a-t-il dans l'autobus? Moving to 14th one. À dasher commence le cours. À dasher commence le cours. At what time does the lecture starts? At what time? Again, students, at what time does the lecture start? What? So I have two options, over there and over here. So underline part के बाद यहाँ पे एक noun है, noun, feminine singular. It's a feminine singular noun. So obviously noun है तो मैं यहाँ पे use करूँगा. It's a feminine form. So answer क्या आएगा? Quelle. Q-U-E-L-L-E. Quelle. À quelle heure commence le cours? At what time does the lecture starts? And going to the last one. Dash manges-tu? Dash manges-tu? What are you eating? What are you eating? Que manges-tu? What are you eating? So again I have two options. What and what? What and what? I have two options. Underline part के बाद यहाँ पे verb दिया है. Verb. Okay, verb होगा तो I'm going to use that part. Que. Q-U-E. Que manges-tu? Okay, students. Que manges-tu? There are also some exceptions. जैसे कि क्या होता है? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles means what is your name? Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? But students, comment मतलब तो how होता है. So it's an exception. Whenever you want to use and whenever you want to ask a name to someone, so you have to use the word comment. Comment tu t'appelles? So when you are asking someone's name and you use the word comment, the English translation will become what? Comment s'appelle ton fils? So what does your son name? Or what is the name of your son? Okay? One more example. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Which means how old are you? Quel âge as-tu? But quel का मतलब तो how नहीं होता. But it is an exception. Whenever I want to ask someone's age, I'll be using the word quel. Quel âge tu? How old are you? Okay, students? So remember these exceptions. So we have finished. What you have to do is you have to learn all this word nicely. Learn how to do a sentence into English translation, and this exercise is going to be really very easy for you. So thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.